Just when we thought the AI wars were taking a breather, Google drops a massive surprise. Yesterday, they quietly released Gemini 3.1 Pro, and if you thought AI was just for writing emails, you need to see this. This model didn't just beat previous reasoning benchmarks, it destroyed them, scoring a massive 77.1% on the notoriously difficult ARC-AGI-2 test. Today, we're breaking down what Gemini 3.1 Pro actually is, the insane new vibe coding features, and how you can use it right now. Let's get into it. So what is Gemini 3.1 Pro? Coming right off the heels of Gemini 3 Deep Think, 3.1 Pro is Google's mid-cycle core intelligence upgrade. It keeps that massive 1 million token context window, meaning it can still process entire books, videos, and code bases at once. But where it really shines is in what developers are calling vibe coding. Gemini 3.1 Pro can now generate website-ready, interactive animated SVGs directly from a text prompt. We aren't talking about generating AI video pixels here. It writes the pure, scalable math and code to build these animations. Google showed off demos of it building a live, interactive aerospace telemetry dashboard and even coding the logic for a simulated city's terrain and traffic flow entirely from scratch. But the biggest news here is how Gemini 3.1 Pro interacts with your computer. Google is pushing hard into the agentic era with their brand new IDE called Google Anti-Gravity. Instead of an AI that just auto-completes your code, Anti-Gravity makes you the manager of an AI workforce. You give Gemini 3.1 Pro a massive goal, like migrating a database, and it maps out the architecture, writes the code, runs the terminal, and verifies the browser all by itself. For the developers watching, Google even released a specialized API endpoint called Gemini 3.1 Pro Preview Custom Tools, which is specifically fine-tuned for executing bash commands and using custom developer tools. So how can you actually use it? If you're an everyday user, Gemini 3.1 Pro is rolling out right now in the official Gemini app for anyone on the Google AI Pro or Ultra plans. It's also being integrated into Notebook LM, making it an absolute beast for analyzing massive documents and synthesizing research. And for developers, you can start building with the Gemini 3.1 Pro preview model today in Google AI Studio, Vertex AI, or by downloading the Anti-Gravity IDE. Google is clearly trying to move past AI as a chatbot and turn it into a fully autonomous worker. But what do you guys think? Is agentic coding the future, or are you sticking to your traditional setup? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a like if you found this helpful and subscribe for more AI updates. I'll see you in the next one.